bumper's all scuffed, splitters pretty much cracked. So you've got a crack in the wing there, and you can, I don't know if you can see this in the camera, but around here you can see a bit of red in the paint. And that tells me it's probably been hit once or twice. But I'm going to show you the mirror here. The lacquer's just peeling off it. Okay, so all that's going to have to go. So got a little bit of surface rust there. Alright. So it's more bumpers and things like that, so that just needs to be done properly. Excuse the mess. I'm currently doing up my garage. As you can see here, I've taken all the shelvings and things off. So I need to get the flooring done, ceiling done, walls done, so that's all in progress, so excuse it. Engine wise, like I say, I've done 51k. I know it doesn't look it at the moment, but it has been sitting around for a while. We're going to do some work to the hoses, engine bay, you know, clean it all up. Currently running it off a secondary battery because the one in the car is pretty much knackered. Looking at the front of the car, still got the original Z badge. It's on the G plate. So yeah, so this is pretty much the car. Like I said, I'm going to put some pictures up in this video on what I kind of want it to look like. It's a very good base. There's no holes in the floor or anything like that. Structure wise is quite good. Like I said, tyres are very old, so tyres will go. I'll probably just put it up on jack stands and then go from there. Let's have a quick look inside the car. Right, the seat has a rip here. Okay, so I'll be giving that to the trimmers to sort out. You got a little bit of rust there. So you got bits and bobs like this. I guess I'm going to come across more once I take all these trims off. Carpet would come out as well because this has been in a flood. Still started up first time, no issues there. So I just want to check it all out. Right, so that's the inside of the car. Let's have a look at the back quickly. The back seats are pretty much like brand new. I don't even think anyone's ever sat in the back apart from all my stock that you see there. Right, so here we have it. Z31 G plate, V6 single turbo manual, twin targa top should I say. Quite a rare car, quite popular in the States. So look forward to part one, guys. Right guys, so thanks for watching. So that's basically the car. This is the kind of work that needs doing. I'll put part one up soon. Like I said, I'm still doing a bit of work in the garage. So once that's cleared up, hopefully this week, by next week or so, I'll try and get a video up. So yeah, any suggestions or comments you may have, guys, please let me know. Open for suggestions. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.